Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and this little update to blacking out or dechroming my Tesla Model X. I want to show you a little something that's been bugging me, and that is the mirrors. The mirrors look great when they're blacked out. However, but if in the opposition, look at that. See, when it's off, it's yeah, that's exposed, and that's been bugging me. So in this video, I'm going to fix it. There are two ways to fix this problem. The first is to never fold the mirrors. I don't like that at all. The second solution is to fold in the mirror and then Plasti dip the exposed area. And once you blend it together, and after that dries, then it'll be black when it's open or closed. Doesn't really matter. So let's do that now. So there you go, all done. So if the mirror is in the open position, it's blacked out. Closed position, blacked out as well. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this little DIY. Can of Plasti dip only costs $5.99 at Lowe's or Home Depot. And no need to pay somebody $1,000 to use vinyl to black out your car. Anyway, that's one of the pieces I've done, but let me show you some of the other pieces. I've also decided to black out the front. You can see the Tesla logo is now all blacked out. This was very difficult with vinyl. I also blacked out those little pieces there. So both sides, they've been blacked out. And in the back here, so check it out. The word Model X. Yeah, you can't do this. Is impossible to do with vinyl, but with Plasti dip, no problem. And the Tesla logo, and also the Tesla sign underneath there. John Chow from johnchow.com. Thank you very much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like that. Please like and share my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.